What does it really mean to see? In manufacturing, we've long relied on human eyes, clipboards, and checklists to make sure our products meet the mark. A few random samples here, a quick visual inspection there, and for decades, we've called that quality control. But think about this. When you're making thousands, sometimes millions of items every week, how many of those does a human actually inspect? Now imagine a system that doesn't blink, doesn't get tired, and doesn't miss a single detail. A system that sees every dimension, length, width, height, depth, and does so with micrometer precision. That's the promise of 3D machine vision. At first glance, it sounds like another piece of factory tech, another camera, another sensor. But this isn't just another device. This is a shift in how we see our operations, how we manage risk, how we ensure consistency, and how we protect the trust we've built with customers. Let's bring this to life. Picture a chocolate wafer moving down a conveyor belt. It's light, it's fast, it looks fine, but a traditional checkweigher says it's within tolerance, so it passes. What it doesn't catch is that the top layer didn't get enough chocolate. That customer who opens the package, they don't care about tolerances. They care it's not what they expected. 3D vision catches that. It sees not just the wafer, but the coating, the coverage, the flatness, the volume. It tells your production line in real time, this one's good, that one's not. And it's not just about food, it's about bottles with imperfect caps, jars underfilled by just enough to break consumer trust, missing items in kits, misaligned packages headed to the wrong dock. This is what 3D machine vision does. It turns uncertainty into insight. But here's where it gets even more powerful. Because once you digitize how you see your products, you don't just improve quality, you unlock efficiency. You feed data into your ERP, your OEE dashboards, your robotic systems. You start to track trends, spot bottlenecks, prevent downtime before it happens. You stop reacting and start optimizing. In a world where skilled labor is scarce and consumer expectations are only rising, this kind of automation isn't a nice to have, it's a must have. It's how leading manufacturers are scaling output, protecting their margins, and winning market share. This isn't about replacing people, it's about enabling them to do more meaningful work while the machines handle the monotony. It's about using technology to protect the very thing that matters most, your reputation. So the next time you think about quality, think beyond clipboards and sampling. Think about a technology that sees your product the way your customer does, accurately, completely, relentlessly. That's not just automation, that's vision, and it's changing everything.